Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I wanted to show you my Costco find. This is the Mexican street corn tortilla chips. I had sampled them at Costco and they taste so delicious. The bag is only about $5.49 and it's a 1.5 pound bag. And the tortilla chips taste just like Mexican street corn. So these are the tortilla chips, and as you can see, they have so much seasoning on top of them. So I have some thick and chunky salsa, which I'm just going to put some right in the middle of them. These taste so good. I guarantee you guys will love these. So guys, yeah, this is a great snack. Like I said, you'll love these. They are so packed with flavor. So the brand is Late July. And once again, Mexican street corn tortilla chips. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.